Hey friends, if you wish to install and use WhatsApp on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So you can open the Microsoft Store from here, or you can search for it in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. I always prefer it because I can protect myself from malware. Now search for WhatsApp in the search bar and hit enter. Click on WhatsApp and then click on install, and once it is installed you can open it. Now I'll tell you later on how you can proceed with using it, but the alternative method is to search for WhatsApp app my Windows in the Bing search bar, and then go to whatsapp.com and then click on download, and then click on this download button here and then click on open. The result will be the same. Now click on get started. It will ask you to set a WhatsApp on your computer. Open the app on your phone and then click on the three dots associated at the top and then select link devices. And after selecting link devices, you have to click on link a device. And after clicking on link a device, you can scan this QR code. And once you scan this QR code, you will be directed to the main page. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.